Welcome. Welcome to House of Mercier. Today you're invited to our factory and to meet our family as well. We're based in Lima, Peru, around 40 minutes south of downtown Lima. For time, my brother and I will looking to develop certain products. During this time, we discovered marvelous people and marvelous materials. In one of these visits, we met saddle makers in a place called Huancayo up in the mountains of Peru. They were doing different products until we got the idea in order to do frames for my brother's paintings. He was about to go to a show in New York, the Art Expo New York, and we put 5 frames over there. We sold all of them in the very first 3 hours. On that, we knew we had something in our hands. We are in the factory. We have created some stations of work. We have Danilo all the way back, that he's in charge of the packing. Here you see Miguel and Maximo in the part of the mounting on the leather, as well as trim. Here is David that actually helped us to accommodate the leather onto the panels, but also onto the frame. These are some of the end products that we have that they already made. So they have to pass through these stations in order to mount onto the wood the leather that we have cut. Part of what we have in here is the station on where we make the cuts. We make the cuts for each of the pieces that we have. That's a way that we have to create texture on the leather. Here, Koki is making the finishes on the colors for one of the panels in here. So he put some of the base color on the leather in order to have homogenic section on the leather on the panels. Mr. Vidal in here is making the finishes on these new ones, which are the glass frames on the section of the leather, like the other ones, like these ones, and the blue ones and the red ones. The final stage is the quality control. In this case, each of the frames that we have the order has to match a sample that you have up there in your own store. So what we do is we have the frame in here and we compare it with the sample that we have on our computer in your profile. After this and the approval on the frame, what we have is the packing stage, and then the frame is on your way.
Here's the family. So thank you very much and see you very, very soon. Thank you very much, guys.